At Turtle, our services team helps customers keep pace with change, whether it's launching new products, planning for expansion, or managing a migration. We also provide personalized Turtle training services to help your team grow. On-site training, and through Rockwell's Learning Plus contracts, your workforce gains access to world-class online training, flexible, practical, and built around your needs. But what happens when equipment begins to show its age? Unexpected failures can lead to costly downtime, safety risks, and production delays. That's where Rockwell's Repair Plus agreements come in. We help you extend the life of your assets, reduce replacement costs, and get your operations back up and running, quickly and reliably. With Turtle, you're not just maintaining equipment, but you're building a stronger, more resilient future for your operations.